So today I have my FabFitFun box for this one's for the fall, I believe. So I'm very excited about this. I am very excited about some of the things I got. I did splurge a little and get some extras. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm going to put my hand here because I don't know if you'll be able to see my address by putting it. So this is what the box looks like on the inside. And it comes with their little magazine that they have in all of them. So that is the first thing here. Let's see. Okay, so first thing that I'm very excited about is the NARS Blush. I got this blush in Deep Throat. So I'm going to try and gently open this because I don't want to ruin the packaging. Okay. So I am very, very excited for this. I've always wanted to try some of NARS products. So this is what it looks like. It's like this nice light pinky color. I don't use a ton of blush, but I like that this one's somewhat peachy. So I'm very excited to give this a try. I haven't bought any NARS simply because it is so expensive, so I was very excited when I saw this. So that is the first thing that I have in here, which I'm very excited to give a try. So next up in here, let me see. The next thing I have in here is the Daily Concepts Daily Hair Towel Wrap. So it says Heat and Frizz Free Dry. And let me see. The Daily Hair Towel Wrap is ideal for taking care of your hair after a bath, shower, or any beauty ritual. It helps reduce frizz, drying time, and eliminates the risk of split ends and excessive damage. This towel can be used on almost any length and texture of hair. So instead of using a regular bath towel, you just use this. Let me go ahead and get it open here. I already have one of these, so I really like it, so I wanted to try another one. This one's a little different, but same basic thing. You put it over your head. It smells nice. Put it over your head, wrap your hair. This one actually has specific directions on how to do it. Okay, that makes sense. Like I said, I think I might be doing mine backwards because according to this, you actually do it that way but with your hair over. So I'm going to have to try that and see because I might be doing it wrong. But I'm excited to have another one of these because I really like them and I use it every time I shower. So that is that. Next thing that I have in here is these sunglasses. I believe these are one of the things that I splurged on a little bit. So let me go ahead and pull them out. So this is what they look like. They're kind of like a animal print kind of pattern maybe. I'm not sure if that's animal print, but they're from Sado. And they are just these cute little glasses. Very excited for these. I needed some more sunglasses that fit, so I just need to be careful with my piercing because I did just pull it. But these are what the next thing in here. And they came with their own little case. So after those, the next thing that I have in here, let me see. It is going to be the Stojo Collapsible Cup with 4 reusable straws. So, oh hello, we're on a mission to end disposable culture. 1 reusable at a time. Okay, so let me see. Let's get this open. Okay, so obviously it is quite small because it fits in this little box. Okay, cool. So they make other things. They have a bottle and reusable and collapsible bowls as well. That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to pull this out and let's see. Okay, so it says step 1 is to open this. Which way do I open it? Okay, step 1, open this thing. Okay. Step 2, hold on. Okay. And you pull this out. Okay. It looks like after that you pull this. Okay. Oh, and it comes with its own little holder thing. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then it comes with these 4 straws. So it's not a huge little cup, but it is quite cute. I do really like the concept, and I always like having more things like this. So that is pretty cool. I love that. Next up in here, let me see. It looks like this was a freebie thrown in. It's Lumify Bry Monodine Tartrate Ophthalmic Solution Redness Reliever Eye Drops. So these are something that they threw in. I don't know that I need something like this very often, but I'll give them a try. Next up in here, I have these makeup brushes from Luxie. I do really like that brand, and these look very nice for fall. So they came in their own little pouch, which is really cute. And it just comes with 4 different eye brushes. So I always like to add some things. It says it's a Luxie flat definer, a concealer brush, a blending brush, and a short slender brush. It's called the Enchanted Eye Set. So it is very cute. I will definitely be using these. Next up, one of the things I'm excited for is this hat here. So I kind of want to get more into stuff like this. So I did choose this. It's from ASN or ANS, I'm not sure which one. But here it is. It's very cute. I'm going to pick up this little pouch of stuff before my cats eat it. But yeah, this is the hat. I'm very excited to see. I don't know where I'm going to wear it, but it is cute and I'm very excited to try it. So that is that. The next thing that I have in here is this little shawl cover up kind of thing. Oh my god, guys, it is so soft. This is the softest thing I've felt in a while. So this is from the brand Gentle Fawn. And I got mine in a medium large. Let me see. Where is the... Okay. Okay, so this is like a little shawl cover up kind of thing. It is extremely, extremely cute and it's so freaking soft. I'm very excited for this. I love wearing stuff like this now, so this will be amazing. And I love the color and everything, so I'm very excited for this one. And let me see. Last but not least in here, I have this. It is the 3-piece silicone baking set. It includes a silicone baking mat, a full-size spatula, and a mini spatula. So I've been wanting some of the silicone baking mats, but it's not something that I had purchased yet. So I was really excited to see this. So let me go ahead and pull it out and show you guys. Okay. So it comes in this cute little pattern, and it's got both of these, which absolutely love silicone things like this anytime. So I have this, and then it comes with this cool baking mat, which I'm very, very excited about because I really wanted to try this, and it has a sprinkle texture, which is really cool. So I'm very excited for this. I've been wanting to try one of these for quite a while, so that is the last thing in here. I'm very, very excited for these things. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more things like this, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys!